Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and over the next few weeks, we'll be talking about the neck. Right. To start off today, I want to show you how do we sit properly. Last few weeks ago, I discussed how we sit properly in terms of our lower back. Today, I'm going to show you how to sit properly in terms of how do we posture the neck there. Okay, a lot of times when people tell us you have to sit straight, really like how do we do that? And I'm going to show you how. All right, so if you're sitting on a chair like this, and then when we tell you we want you to sit straight, some people say it's like you have a string top of the head pulling you up. All right, so you want to imagine that string. But a lot of times when we sit, chin is still coming out forward. What we want you to do is we want you to tuck the chin in, but we don't want you to tuck it in like this. It doesn't become normal. Tuck it in enough that your ear will be in line with the tip of your shoulder. So this shoulder, you have to be back a little bit. So when you're looking from the side, the earlobe here has to be in line with the tip of the shoulder, and then your chin tucked in a little bit like this. So this is how we would want you to sit when we say you have to sit up straight. I hope you enjoyed that, and till next time.